Hey, Ken, how are you?
Doing well.
Welcome back to the University of New Hampshire Interoperability Labs. We're working on innovation demos. It's fall. We're getting ready for Network X. So do you want to come see the demos?
Let's go see the demos.
All right. This year, fixed access network sharing returns as one of our innovation demos, specifically targeting wholesale and open access networks. Various market and regulatory drivers are spurring a global demand for these open access networks. The demo leverages control and user plane separation to enable the disaggregated OLT and virtual BNG, showing how multiple virtual network operators, or VNOs, can share the physical resources provided by the infrastructure provider while provisioning services through their own virtual instances. This year's demo will showcase monitoring of a UPS or an uninterruptible power supply combined with USP and updates to the TR-181 data model. Additionally, as an interesting aspect, this UPS will provide power and communication with the RG responsible for the monitoring through a USB-C connection, limiting or removing one additional cable from your home setup. The Open Broadband Cloud Application SDK, or OB-CAS project, provides software developers with a development kit based on open APIs, giving them access to broadband network telemetry data that can be used for analysis and post-processing. That data can be used for analytics, monitoring, and combined with remediations or optimizations based on that analysis, creating the so-called closed-loop autonomous system. In this year's demo, the OB-CAS project team is leveraging a commercial access control platform connected to two OB-CAS-enabled applications, one developed by the OB-CAS team directly, and a second developed by a third party. Using millimeter wave spectrum, it's now possible to provide a multi-gigabit fixed wireless access link. The Broadband Forum's multi-tenant fixed wireless access specification defines a new architecture for providing services to multiple subscribers over that single 5G connection. This year's innovation demo will couple that new architecture along with a MoCA access system to provide multiple connections over a building's existing coaxial infrastructure. The cross-domain automated intelligence management demonstration will show how, using the Broadband Forum's AIM framework, it's possible to predict potential failures or customer issues. This demo implements closed-loop automation by collecting network telemetry data from multiple domains, including access and customer premises networks, and automatically analyzing that data. That data or analysis can then be used to proactively implement changes or replacements within the infrastructure, or to support call agents handling customer issues. In the end, this decreases resolution times while improving network stability. As network applications become increasingly interactive, network latency becomes a critical factor for customer satisfaction and quality of experience. New technologies based on L4S enable equipment to better handle the complex task of scheduling packets. New work in the Broadband Forum is applying that technology directly into the access network and customer premise equipment. This innovation demo will showcase an early implementation, proving how communication between the network and application at the packet level can improve the overall performance and quality of experience. For wholesale network providers, monitoring or measuring the network performance can present a unique challenge. In this innovation demo, we're actually going to measure and monitor multiple points within the access network all the way to the customer edge to ensure both parties, both the retail service provider and the wholesale provider, have access to that performance data. Using a combination of the Open Broadband UDP-ST, Ethernet OAM, and the Broadband Forum's QED framework, the network performance of individual segments is actively monitored. Following a paradigm akin to autonomous driving, the automation of broadband network management is taking a similar approach, layering autonomous actions alongside manual operations. This demonstration will show autonomous, intent-driven operations ranging from planning to deployment to assurance for the configuration and management of an OLT deployed within a wholesale context, and how those operations rely on the Broadband Forum's network resource model that is used to store topology information.
Lincoln, thank you very much for the last couple of days. It's great to see the demonstrations. It's great to see your lab. I'm looking forward to seeing you in Paris.
Yeah, we're shipping everything out in about a month's time or so, and then we'll be setting it up on the show floor and looking forward to showing everybody what we built. So we'll see you at Network X.
And thank you, all the contributors to this year's demonstrations. It's an amazing collaboration between people and companies, and we're looking forward to seeing you in Paris.
Yep. See you there.